Many people, whether they are students or working professionals, have a sense of dread when approaching an accounting course. They may be scared of numbers, think that the course will be boring, or believe that they will not be able to understand the course. Some may even question why they need to learn accounting in the first place. Now, the goal of this course is to demystify accounting, revealing it to be the language of business, and for us to build a foundation in core accounting concepts that can help your professional career and even your personal finances. Now, like any language, there are rules to learn, and it may be difficult to start, but once you start speaking and listening in a language, you start to become more comfortable with it. Another thing to realize is that a background in accounting does not limit you to an accounting profession. In fact, it opens up more doors from marketing to finance to many different industries, including entertainment, oil and gas, sports, and restaurants. A strong background in accounting is also critical for entrepreneurship for those in a class who eventually want to run their own business. Now, accounting is the process in which business transactions are recorded, summarized, measured, and ultimately communicated to management and key external users such as investors and creditors. Accounting is vital for helping businesses to make decisions such as whether to invest in new equipment, acquire a supplier, develop a new product, or hire new employees. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals behind recording business transactions, creating financial statements, and interpreting the performance over time of companies using financial ratios. Now, in the general media, often only the bookkeeping aspect of accounting is emphasized, such as the recording of transactions. The roles of accountants have expanded significantly over the last several decades to include many duties, including accountants often being hired in a consulting or advisory capacity to perform a variety of tasks that can include evaluating financial operations, to recommend best practices, identify issues and strategize solutions, and help organizations run efficiently. Providing expertise and guidance on cost reduction, revenue enhancement, and profit maximization. And more recently, utilizing data analytics to identify patterns in the behavior of consumers and markets, which could lead to investment opportunities for mergers and acquisitions. Okay. Another important thing of note is that most chief financial officers, or CFOs, which is the top financial position in a corporation, will have an accounting designation. Another growing field is forensic accounting, which is similar to being a financial detective, using financial information and other pertinent data to uncover fraud and other nefarious deeds. Now, we can take the concepts of accounting and recording financial transactions and apply them to our own personal lives. By using tools such as a personal balance sheet, one can improve their understanding of their own financial situation. Surprisingly, a significant amount of people from all backgrounds and ages do not understand what they spend their money on, how their money is being invested, if at all, or what assets and liabilities they currently have. Okay? Accounting tools can help us understand this, much like how they can help a business understand what they spend their money on, how their assets are being invested, and what assets and liabilities that they currently have. Now, as mentioned previously, accounting is the language of business. In your future careers, you will touch upon accounting in some form or the other, even if you are in human resources, marketing, a chef in a restaurant, and so forth. With this knowledge, you can better understand how different economic events impact the business or industry, which in turn will influence how you approach your job, your role, hopefully leading to more value creation. For fledgling entrepreneurs, having a firm grasp of financial statements, journal entries, financial ratios, and other accounting concepts will help you understand what your business needs to achieve in order to be successful. Now, with the right mindset, this accounting course can be enriching, rewarding, and relevant to your career aspirations. I hope you enjoy your accounting journey.